Hi everyone. 皆さんこんばんは、エリカです。前回のレッスンで日本の梅雨についてお話ししました。I talked about Japanese 梅雨 last time. The weather is unstable during this season. In this season, we cannot hang the laundry outside. この時期は天気が不安定なので、外に洗濯を干すことがあまりできません。In Japanese, laundry is 洗濯。And clothes, sheets that are waiting to be washed, being washed, or have just been washed are 洗濯物。So, 洗濯 and 洗濯物 are different. Of course, we Japanese use dryer, laundromat, or bathroom dryer. Dryer in Japanese is 乾燥機。Laundromat is coin laundry. Bathroom dryer is 浴室乾燥機。浴室 means bathroom, so bathroom dryer is 浴室乾燥機。But hanging clothes outside is the most common method of drying in your clothes in Japan. 日本では洗濯物を外に干すことが多いです。This is why it's a problem to do laundry during this rainy season. ということで、今日は洗濯に関する日本語を教えます。So today, let's learn the words about laundry and practice them. First of all, washing machine is 洗濯機。But maybe in native speed, we call it 洗濯機。Not たく、洗濯機。We pronounce like a 洗濯機。And detergent is 洗剤 in Japanese. This is detergent in Japanese. 洗剤。And fabric softener in Japanese is 柔軟剤。This is 柔軟剤。I will choose some sentences. I do the laundry every day in Japanese is 私は毎日洗濯します。I have to do the washing today. 今日洗濯をしないといけない。今日洗濯をしないといけないです。And洗濯物を干す means hang the washing out is 洗濯物を干す。 takes a washing in, laundry in Japanese is 洗濯物を取り込む。洗濯物を取り込む。For the washing is 洗濯物を畳む。洗濯物を畳む。Put away the clean clothes is 洗濯物を片付ける。洗濯物を片付ける。Sometimes you have to wash some linen with your hands. In Japanese, 手洗い。手洗い。Hand wash is 手洗い。手洗い。After drying the laundry, you do iron. Iron in Japanese is アイロン。アイロン。You have to sound R sound, so not iron, but アイロン。アイロン。Ironing is アイロンをかける。アイロンをかける。かける is verb. So I have to iron. 私はアイロンをかけなければいけない。アイロンをかけなければいけない。Okay, now we can do the laundry in Japan, right? Okay, that's it, and thanks for so much for watching my live stream. I'll see you next time. じゃあまたね。